Good day and welcome, students. My name is Abel Allen. I am engineer in telecommunication and network, MCTS and financial consultant. I will be your instructor at the Financial Trading School. I'm happy to welcome you on video talking about trading information resources in its general context. The topic of our lesson today, knowledge of the School of Trading. We will give you the principle of our work, that we do, what is our aim, how to make money. First of all, we will explain the following term. Trader. What is a trader? Why have we chosen the financial market? What is the financial market? The trading school teaches us to become a trader. Let's go to the next slide. On this slide, we have a picture. It's a trader. And we can see together this guy in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 monitors. How? He can trade here, for example, currency pair like USD America, dollar, euros. He can trade here the currency pair USD yen, Japanese yen, USD American, for example, in this monitor. He can trade here, for example, currency per USD dollar American and Canada dollar, for example. Here he can trade commodities market. We will explain this term in the following course. In the next slide, we just have to know what is a trader and he's defined an individual person who engage in the transfer of financial market in any financial market, either for themselves or on behalf of someone else. Trader trade currency for profit by performing the transaction with the assistance of the companies providing forex-related service, or as they are often called forex broker. Let's go to the next slide. No, we can explain again 1 or 2 minutes. Let's take a simple example in our life. In our life, you want to multiply your funds. You want to become even richer. A friend or a family or person suggests you to invest your money in financial market. In what way? Here is the challenge of the trader. What is his role? Simply multiply your fund, making profits. Turning to the next slide. In this slide, we talk about financial market. Why we have chosen the financial market? Financial market exists in order to facilitate the interaction between provider of capital like saver, investor, and user of capital like companies and government. A financial market exists to allow transactions with mutual benefit to take place between both parties. It exists in order for investors to conduct business easily. If we can read together in this slide, a financial market is a broad term describing any marketplace where buyer and seller participate in a trade of assets such as equities, bonds, currencies, and derivatives. Financial markets are typically defined by having transparent pricing, basic regulation on trading costs and fee, and market force determine the price of securities that trade. It can be found in nearly every nation in the world. Some are very small, with only a few participants, while others, like the New York Stock Exchange and the Forex market, trade trillions of dollars daily. Investors have access to a large number of financial markets and exchanges representing a vast array of financial products. Some of these markets have always been open to private investors, others remain the exclusive domain of major international banks and financial professionals until the very end of the 20th century. Let's go to the next slide. In this slide, we have a simple representation of the platform MetaTrader 4. We will use this platform to trade. In general, you can use again another platform like MetaTrader 5, for example. You can download this platform from your computer. You can download this platform in your smartphone too. You can download this platform in your tablet too, but you will use other applications like Windows, Mac OS, Android. And pay attention. Look carefully in this figure. We have a representation of the graph USD, America, franc Swiss over a period of 1 hour. Little further down here, you have an example of balance, fund, available margin. Let's go to the next slide. On this slide, we have a diagram representing the constituent of the capital market. Here we talk just about different types of financial market. Capital market is constituted by issuer, stock exchange, investment bankers, the market regulator, deposit of participants, depositories, stockbrokers, and depository participants. Generally, banks provide financing in the form of loan and mortgage. Except banks, other intermediaries in the financial market can be insurance company and mutual fund. But more complicated transactions of financial market take place in stock exchange. In stock exchange, a company can buy others company share or can sell own share to raise funds, or they can buy the own share existing in the market. Capital market consists of primary market and secondary market. In primary market, newly issued bonds and stock are exchanged. In secondary market, buying and selling of already existing bonds and stock take place. So, the capital market can be divided into bond market and stock market. Bond market provides financing by bond issuance and bond trading. Stock market provides financing by share or stock issuance and by share trading. As a rule, capital market facilitate raising of capital. Further, we have other types of financial market. You have to know that we will work in foreign exchange market, forex, and commodity market too. Money market facilitates short-term debt financing and capital. Derivative market provide instruments which help in controlling financial risk. Foreign exchange market facilitate the foreign exchange trading. And we will work together in the foreign exchange market. Insurance market help in your allocation of various risks. Commodity market organizes trading of commodities. For example, commodity market trader trade in gold, silver, for example, gold, further. We cannot talk about financial market without its contribution. Financial markets are essential for fundraising. Through financial market, borrowers can find suitable lenders. Banks also help in the process of financing by working as intermediaries. They use the money which is saved and deposited by a group of people for giving loans to another group of people who need it. In this slide, we will talk about basis of financial market. Borrowers of the financial market can be individual persons, private companies, public corporations, government, and other local authorities like municipalities. Individual persons generally take short-term or long-term mortgage from bank to buy any property. Private companies take short-term or long-term loans for expansion of business or for improvement of the business infrastructure. Government also borrow from financial market to bridge the gap between government revenue and government spending. Local authorities like municipalities sometimes borrow in their own name and sometimes government borrows in behalf of them from the financial market. Further down, lenders in the financial market are actually the investor. The invest money is used to finance the repay of borrowers. So there are various types of investment which generate lending activities. Some of these types of investment are depositing money in saving bank account, paying premium to insurance company, investing in share of different companies, investing in government bonds, and investing in pension fund and mutual fund. Further, here we talk about the market hour. In fact, in this figure, we mention the hour of opening and closing market. For the Asian session, the market opened at 12 evening and we will close at 10 o'clock morning. For the European session, the market starts at 9 o'clock morning and we will close at 7 o'clock evening. For us session, American session, the market starts at 6 o'clock evening and we will close at 12 o'clock evening. Let's go. In this slide, we have two examples of currency pair.